to ship. Ayun po, dito po ako sa 3rd Street. Already make a left from Virgin to 3rd Street. So I'm on the wrong side of the road. Nandito ako sa Pasalubong, pero I was on the nandito naman ako sa daanan ng mga tao, sidewalk. So much more, I can feel much more safer. Don't expect to turn. Kasi binigay mo na yun eh. Binigay mo na yung bagay yun. Drive mo kung nagbigay. Hindi dahil sa iba, pag nagbigay, kailangan mo kapalit. Pag-gumbat, mali po yun. Ang group is yan that when you give, you don't expect to return. Okay. Nandito ako ng 3rd Street. So, dito ako eh. Pakano yung Beverly Boulevard. Beverly Boulevard. We're passing dito. Paglampas natin doon, wala po ang Pilipino. Yung Rampart, diba? Yan po, Dollar Hits, Mom's Bake Shop, Temple Seafood Market, mga Filipino store po yan. Dito po yung Dollar Hit nakalocate sa ito, Temple and dali naman pong makita yung bus na 10. This 10 is going to downtown. So yan po, samahan nyo pa po ako. Mayroon pa tayo mga lugar na pupuntahan dito sa paligid lang, mga Filipino town. So bago tayo pumunta sa church, yan naman po yung Bahay Kubo restaurant. Yan po yung loob niyan. Tingnan natin ha. Yan po looban yan.
To the historic Filipino town. Galing pagkakagawa ng mural na yun, eh? This is located along Beverly Boulevard and Union Street, corner of Union and Beverly Boulevard. Another mural po. As Manny Pacquiao, si Appleby at si Charisse, yung babae pa siya. Sorry po. ginawa dito na nire-represent ng Filipino town. Ayan, yun po yung part. Maliit lang po siya pero maganda po siya para pasyalan, yung aliwan para pagpalipas ng oras. Yan po yan. Yung part. Kung dito sa gilid, Filipino town. Lalagay ko dyan sa link kung kailan ito ginawa. Kasi yung paligid ng art na yun, may mga nakasulat po doon. So next time meron akong vlog noon last time, yung anniversary ng aming church 2 years ago. If you can still remember that, dinalag ko po itong part na to, pero ako yung nag-walk lang po. So this time I did go here by bike. So masaya pa ako nakarating dito nakabike para pakita sa inyo ang historic Filipino town na pwede natin pagmalaki sa mga panyaga na we're part of LA. So salbahe din ng mga tao dito sa LA, no? Binandalize yung art natin, no? Sa salbahe. Ayan. Sa Filipino historic art po. Dalawa nyo siya?
Tatlo.
Tatlo? Well, I love you.
Mother's Day daw.
Mother's Day. Alright. Actually, ano mo sinabi na rin? Check na. Sinabi na rin nalipa. Parang nakarecord tayo no talking about what's up Jenny Boy ba yan? Jenny Boy yan, diba? Sige, promote natin yan. Jenny Boy yan. Hindi yan Nora. Nora.
bago.
Tumataas ka. Tumataas ka.
Bakit? Dito po yung spatula. Tutulog ka kailangan.
Yan. Roasted almond. Patties.
Sister Belly.
Honey made. Yan ang mga bibigay namin today. Together with the pepperoni pizza. At saka itong cheese. And we're preparing everything for food distribution today. Second Sunday of the month. Ayan, kasama ni Pastor.
Bad no pare na. Not bad.
Ha?
Not bad.
Oh yes. Not bad, pare.
Kasi we have about 13 now. We have about 14 now. Uy, pero ko parang bukas, nakakadaran ako. Mahal ang patatas niya.
Oo, mahal ang patatas.
That's good. We will go to you, stay right there, and we will give it to you, okay?
Happy Mother's Day!
See, remember, that's your chocolate. How do you say Happy Mother's Day in Spanish? Feliz Dia de la Madre. Okay, practice. Feliz Dia de la Madre. Oh. Okay, don't make fun of me now. I'm not calling the next name. Salud.
Salud!
Okay. Are you a mother? Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day! Happy Mother's Day po.
First time you walk?
Para may ganito lang.
Balik po kayo ha sa...
May ganito lang.
Okay, congratulations. The next time will be May 25, okay? Are you together? Okay, okay. Okay, Samdan, Salud, about Encarnacion. Okay, okay.
Siya daw kukuha kasi
Okay, yeah, yeah. Kasi may kasama siya.
Layo pa ako. Ito, dali lang yun. na ako ng freeway, bridge. Okay, malapit na ako. Ang passing Paramount. Again. Paramount Studio again. Rebel Moon, yan. Ganda yan. Ganda yan. Dalawang part yan eh. So, okay lang. Maganda siya. I don't expect too much na ganito. Mga kabayan, dito ko na tinatapos ang aking vlog of the day. So, parang para sa akin yung parang what can you give to your community, what can you help to your community. Yung ginagawa ng church namin na food distribution, although hindi galing sa church namin yun, dinadala sa amin ng food bank yun for us to do our part na i-distribute kasi church kami. So we share this blessing coming from the food bank, and the food bank use us to distribute this food. At kung mayroong matitira, binibigyan namin yung mga member namin. Kung wala, petalak next time na lang, di ba? So, hopefully yung marami na natira, hopefully may share namin bukas. At nag-successful naman yung food bank distribution today. So, thank you for watching again mga kababayan, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. I hope you enjoyed this show today. Thank you. God bless you all.